Just go to enter global parameters, go to oby6. So here you can see our company code is GIP. So our company code, chart of accounts, you can see company information, fiscal year variant, and field status variant. You can see whatever the information we created, posting period variant also we have provided. Here I want to propose fiscal year. This check mark is used for the while opening the documents automatically the current fiscal year will appear. Define value date. Define value date means while posting document, the value date field automatically it will appear. The tax base amount is I will show you while posting tax postings. So I'm just ignoring as of now, and negative postings permitted. And here you can see company is productive. Yes, company is productive. You can check mark. You need to enable this. In the real time, if you want to deactivate the company code, you need to remove the posting period variant and this check mark, company is productive check mark. And based upon that, you can put it as a deleted company code. So as of now, posting period, inflation. This information I will show you tax basis net value while tax calculation happening doing. So yeah, this is for company code data in global parameters, and then after we'll assign tax calculation to company code. Go to oby6. So as of now, give the temporary. So already given, someone is given tax MA. This is a country level. In country level, we need to assign for the company for the tax information. So this is not a company code level. So for India, you can assign already the procedure is there. So as of now, so while doing our configuration, we will create the procedure. We will add here as a temporary purpose already is there. So I'm not touching anything.